Today we're checking out this intake manifold for the 1999 to 2004 Mustang GT. If your stock manifold is tired, cracked, or just not doing your 2-valve GT any favors anymore, this is one of the replacement parts that can really help get the car feeling right again without turning it into some wild custom build and a complicated install, so it's definitely worth checking out. This intake manifold is really about restoring the proper airflow and getting the engine back to doing what it's supposed to do. Since the manifold plays a big role in feeding air into that motor, a fresh replacement like this can really help improve combustion, support smoother power delivery, and bring back some of that factory-like drivability that gets lost when the original part starts to wear out. That makes this a smart option for somebody fixing a problem. That's gonna make this a smart option for somebody fixing a problem, freshening up an older Mustang, or just trying to keep a daily driver running strong without stepping into a much more expensive performance setup. Because this is an OE compatible direct replacement, it's also a lot more appealing than trying to force in something upgraded or performance oriented, or going with a full race style intake that's overkill for a street car. It's the kind of part that makes sense for owners who want dependable performance, clean fitment, and a straightforward way to get the engine breathing the way that it should again. When it comes to the construction on this, you are getting an OE style construction with a matte black and raw metal finish. That OE compatible build is important because it's designed to match up properly and maintain reliable performance, while the finish is going to keep things looking clean and factory friendly under the hood. As far as the pricing goes on this, it's just coming in right in the upper $100 price range. That is a really solid value for a direct replacement intake manifold like this, because you're getting an important engine restoration part without having to jump into a much more expensive performance manifold setup. When it comes to this install on this one, it's gonna get rated just a 2 out of 3 wrenches on the difficulty meter, and you should be able to get this job done in just 2 hours of your time. Overall, this is not a complicated install at all. You just remove the old manifold with a handful of bolts, bolt the new one in, and you should be good to go. That's gonna wrap up my review of the intake manifold for the 1999 to 2004 Mustang GTs. And for all things Mustang, keep it right here at American Muscle.